Hello lovelies and welcome to Sabby's Deluxe. In this video we are making burger buns. This recipe is very simple. The buns are really easy to make and it tastes better and delicious and soft. Sabby here. So today I've just woken up in a good mood. I feel like pastry. So I want to take you through how I make my burger buns. Kindly watch the video up to the end. Don't miss every step. Suppose you want to learn or you want to know how I make mine. I'll be glad to know how you like yours done. You can leave a comment in a comment section below. And for those who are new in my channel, feel welcome. Suppose you are here for the first time. If you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing. You are on the right channel. You will learn or you will know different recipes from Kenya and across the world. So without further ado, let's get started. For burger buns, we will use all-purpose flour. I will use 3 cups. Water, half a cup. This is a lukewarm water. Milk, half a cup. I have sugar, 3 tablespoons. I have yeast, 2 tablespoons. I also have 2 large eggs. One I will use for egg wash. And for my dough, I have margarine here, 2 tablespoons. You can use butter if you have. Half teaspoon salt. And I have oil here, vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. So I will start by testing my yeast. I'm using instant yeast. This yeast has stayed here for long, so I'm not sure if it's still alive. I just want to know before adding my other ingredients so I don't go to waste. I will add lukewarm water. Test your water before adding it to the yeast. Let the water be like of a baby bath. Add in sugar to activate the yeast. Stir it a little. Cover with a cling film. Let it rest for 10 minutes or 15 or until it's frothy. I'll set it aside and go ahead and sift my flour. This is all-purpose flour. My yeast is alive. You can see it's very frothy. So I will go ahead, crack my egg in, stir a little, add in milk, salt, vegetable oil, mix it well, then go in with your flour gradually as you mix. At this point, I will use my hands. It's clean. I'll knead the dough until it's come together. Once my dough has come together and a little bit sticky, I will add in margarine little by little until it's well combined in the dough. Give it a good knead until everything is well combined. You add in your margarine gradually. Don't add it all at once. I will transfer my dough into a clean flat surface and give it a good knead until it's soft and stretchy. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and watch the video up to the end so you don't miss each and every step. Thank you. I'll grease my mixing bowl with the vegetable oil and transfer the dough into the bowl. Cover with a plastic wrap and cover again with a kitchen towel to let the dough proof faster. I will let it rise for 40 minutes or until it doubles the size. It's been 1 hour and my dough has doubled the size. I'm going to deflate it to release the air bubbles and transfer it again to my worktop in a flat surface. I'll stretch it a little and then fold it the way I'm doing. Fold it tightly and tuck in all the loose dough. Try and make a rod shape the way I'm doing. Cut it into smaller pieces. This dough is going to give me 8 buns. Then stretch it a little again and tuck it tightly the way I'm doing and mold it into a round shape. We are forming balls here. These are our burger buns balls and keep aside. That way. Make sure it's round. Now let me just go slow here so that you can see what I'm trying to do. The way I'm tucking it in, just fold it like that tightly. This way you make sure there's no air trapped inside. Then just mold it in a circular motion. You'll get a round shape. You can as well use your palm. Once I'm done with this, I'll transfer them into my baking tray for the second proof. I line my baking tray with the parchment paper. That way the bun will not stick try to arrange them in a way that they give space to each other so that when they prove, it doesn't touch one another. I will cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rise for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to mix my egg yolk with milk for the egg wash. If you've watched this video up to this end, I hope you find something interesting. Kindly let me know what you feel about this video in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It's been 40 minutes and all my buns has double the size. So I will go ahead and egg wash. This egg wash helps in bringing the beautiful brown crust, and also it works as a binder. Yeah, it's like a glue binding the sesame seeds. This is optional. I will take it into a preheated oven and it will be there for 25 minutes. The buns are ready. 25 minutes, it's over. It looks lovely, and the aroma here, I tell you. I will apply some margarine on them to keep the crust soft and also to give it a shiny look. These buns are so soft and it can stay for 5 days in a shelf storage. The burgers bun is so soft. Look at it, lovely. You can use these buns as dinner rolls or even for tea, breakfast. It's very soft. Transfer the burger. Let it cool first before you slice it. It was nice hanging out with you guys. Thank you for watching the video up to the end. Let's see how the inside looks. I hope you try this recipe. It's a simple recipe. It's lovely and very yummy. If you try this recipe, let me know the feedback. Bring back the feedback. And it's very soft. Meanwhile, it's my birthday, May 15th. Happy birthday to me. See you in my next